everyone. My name is Ravina Ramesh Sonkar. I am a management student from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Once again today I am going to introduce my PPT presentation on very important subject strategic HRM, and my presentation topic is strategies for improving organizational effectiveness. So first of all, uh, um, I am showing the difference between effectiveness and efficiency. Effectiveness means the goal, achievement, doing the right things. Efficiency means the level of resources used to achievement of goals and doing things the right way. Next one is, what is the organizational effectiveness? Organizational effectiveness means the meeting organizational objectives and prevailing societal expectations in the near future, adapting and developing in the intermediate future, and surviving in the distant future. So organization can be effective or ineffective in number of different ways, that is the relatively independent on of an another. So productivity, efficiency, employee absenteeism, turnover, goal concessions, conflict, participation and decision making, stability and communication. So next uh, next we have I show you the historical opinions about the organizational effectiveness. So first one is Frederick Taylor, second one is Elton Mayo, and third one is Henry Fayol. So first one is Frederick Taylor. Frederick Taylor was an American mechanical engineer. He was known for his methods of improving industrial efficiency. He says that the effectiveness is determined by factors such as production maximization, cost minimization, and technological excellence. Second one is Elton Mayo. Elton Mayo was an Australian born psychologist, industrial researcher, and organizational theorist. He says that effectiveness is a function of productivity, employee satisfaction. And next one is Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol was a French mining engineer, mining executive, author and director of mines, and who developed general theory of business administration, whose was called as Fayolium. Fayolium. And Henry Fayol says that key effectiveness is a function of clear authority, discipline within an organization. So next, I show you the approaches of organizational effectiveness. Approaches of organizational effectiveness, it's a divided into four parts. First one is goal attainment approach, second is system approach, third is strategic contingencies approach, and fourth one is competing value approach. So first one is goal attainment approach. So goal attainment approach, an organization is effective to the extent that it accomplish its stated goals. And goals effectiveness is the ability to excel at one or more goals. The goal attainment, that is the based on the identification of goals and the achievement of the goals, and goals must be such as clearly identifiable, consensual, measurable and time bound. Second one is system approach, system resource approach. System research approach, effectiveness is the ability to acquire scarce and valued resources from the environment. So the it included here year-end goals are not ignored, but they are one element in a complex set of criteria. And system model emphasis criteria that will be increase long-term survival of the organization. So it required needed resources, and effectiveness is the acquired scale value from the environment. So next one is strategic constituencies approach. Effectiveness is the ability to satisfy multiple strategic constituencies both within and outside the organization. An effective organization is one that satisfies the demand of those constituencies in its environment from whom it required support for its continuous existence, and it seeks to appraise only those in the environment who can threaten the organization's survival. So fourth and last approach is the competing values approach. The competing value approach is the criteria you value and use in the assessing organization effectiveness. So return on investment, new product innovation, market share, and job security. Next one is models of organizations. So models of organizational effectiveness. First one is human relation, second one is internal process, third one is open system, and fourth one is rational goals. So human relations model means the focuses on the development of the organization personnel. For example, Merlin Travels sent its agents on the familiarization trips to expand their knowledge of specific hotels and cruises and destination. Our second is internal process. Internal process model means focuses on the effectiveness of the internal transformation process. So for example is when Hamilton's Slickton examine its steel making method to determine price and quality competitiveness, it is focusing on its internal process. That is the internal process model. Third one is open system model. Open system model means what? An organization is effectiveness to the degree that it acquire inputs from its environment and has output accepted by environment. So the example is the University of Alberta follows these models when it is concerned about the quality and the number of students applying for admission and what jobs they received and graduation. So fourth one is rational goal methods. Rational goal methods means what? Effectiveness of an organization is effective to the extent that it accomplished its stated goals. For example, the formal goals of the Toronto Blue Jays are to win their division, the American League pennant, and the World Series. And other criteria for selected constituencies is what? Constituencies and typical criteria. So constituencies is owner and earnings. So typical criteria is return on investment or growth in. Second is employee satisfaction. Then typical criteria is compensation, fringe benefits, and job. Then customer satisfaction, price, quality, service. Supplier satisfaction with payment, future sales. Creditor satisfaction with debts and payments. And union satisfaction with competitive wages and benefits, satisfaction working conditions, fairness in the bargainings. So the thank you guys. If you are like my video and like my presentation, so press bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.